equation. So we need to show that x and t satisfy the differential equation. So basically we're going to translate the English to mathematics. So from the phrase the rate of increase of x, that means dx dt, is means equal sign, proportional to means k times, inversely proportional to means k divided by, so this is proportional to, we multiply, ratio of area infected, area not infected. Since the infected is x, the not infected would be the total, which is 20 minus infected, so 20 minus x. Okay, so this is infected, this is not infected. So now we need to find the value of k by plugging in the t equals 0, the dx dt equals 1. So we replace dx dt with 1, and we replace the x, we replace the x with 1. So from here we can find the value of k. So the k is 19, and we get what we need to prove. The next step is to solve and find the x when the t is 1. So when solving this differential equation, or this, we have to separate the variables first. So we have to make everything with x on one side, everything with t on the other side. We do that by multiplying or dividing both sides by something. So here we multiply by dt, and we get 20 minus x over 19x dx, and on the right we cancel out, we have just dt, and now we integrate both sides. When we integrate this guy here, it's a fraction, we can split it, so it's 20 over 19x, or 20 over 19 times 1 over x, and this is just 1 over 19. Now we can integrate, so for the right hand side there's nothing here, we can just say there's 1. Now the integral of 1 over x is ln x in the MF19, the integral of just the constant, so the constant times x, and the integral of 1 is just the variable, so the t. Don't forget the constant of integration. Now we have this boundary condition, we're going to plug in t and x. The x is 1, the x is 1, the t is 0, and ln 1 happens to be 0, so we have only minus 1 over 19. So the c is minus 1 over 19. Okay, now we replace this c with minus 1 over 19. Now we need to find the x when the t equals 1 and show that it's in the form we need to prove. So we replace the t with 1. 1 minus 1 over 19, so that's 18 over 19. So actually here we multiply both sides by 19 to get rid of the fractions. So here when we multiply, we just get 20 ln x. When we multiply, we just get minus x. And here this is 19 minus 1, which is 18. So now we add x to both sides. We divide both sides by 20. 18 over 20 is this. 1 over 20 is this. And then we do e to the power of e to the power of, so that on the left we cancel out, we have only the argument x, and on the right we have what we need to prove. Alright, I'll see you again next time.